So hello my beautiful fish keeping friends. So I just added some fresh water, a little over 50%, trying to get this thing cleared up. This is a no filter scape. It's only got endlers in it, and I got one red cherry shrimp that's pregnant that I bred myself. And I have placed her in here. I just seen her a second ago. And I'm fixing to add some quick start. And I just removed the chlorine. I used tap water. Thank y'all so much for watching. You guys are amazing. I wish you love, health, and wealth. Thank you so much for watching.